and I got stuck and I didn't know how to do it. And I was like, oh my God, this is so frustrating. I don't understand anything. And I did not have anybody to talk power apps. And then I went on YouTube and then I found your videos. You gained my interest the way you were teaching it. And then little by little, I started learning. And then after that, I remember that I texted you, hey, can you help me? Can you help make a patch video? I'm having a trouble with that. And then you made a patch video. And then after that, I came across, I started learning. I did the lab 1. And then I felt confident on myself. I'm like, now I can take projects. And then the first thing that came to my mind, I was like, I still need to complete the application that I was building like way back. So what about I go back and make the application again from the scratch? And now when I was doing it, I completed the application in 3 days. I was like, boom, everything. I was understanding everything. And I completed the application.
It's all easy, right? Because now you understand it.
It's all easy. And then I realized the way you taught me, I realized how many mistakes these guys were making while giving the instructions. When you're coding and when you're actually a beginner, and when you're a beginner, you just try to copy everything, type everything as it is, as they say. But now I realize why the code wasn't working, because these guys in the ERD, they gave a different name. And when they were giving the code, they had a different name for those columns and fields. And
that's great to hear. I appreciate that.
I'm so happy about it.
Yeah, thanks for sharing your experience there.
Yeah, thank you very much, Darren and Kurt and everybody in the school environment. Like, it's a very supportive place, safe place for learning, and you don't get judged by your level of learning.
That's right. You should always compare yourself with yourself from yesterday. Are you making progress? Because if you ever compare yourself to somebody else, somebody else might, maybe they've been in the program or they've been a programmer for a few years. You can't compare your beginning with somebody else's middle or end. Otherwise, you're just going to be frustrated all the time. So always compare yourself with yourself.
Yes. Yep. And definitely one more thing, your courses and your way of teaching did lower my learning curve 2x or 3x, I would say.
That's great. That's great to hear. Thank you so much for sharing that. That makes my day.